This is a guide to the DeltaNet Academy and the things that you can do inside of it here inside of the DeltaNet. In order to access the DeltaNet Academy, you're going to log into the interface, and then you're going to go to the search bar and begin typing DeltaNet Academy. Then you'll see in the navigation the DeltaNet Academy widget, and you'll click on that. Here from this interface, you're going to see all the different courses that we currently offer for things that you can learn here inside of the DeltaNet. It's another great resource for learning how to use the tools that are here inside of the DeltaNet for you. So if we take a look at the Delta Pitch Academy course, so here inside of the course, you'll see that there's an overview of what the Delta Pitch is. And then your first module here is Delta Pitch. You're going to learn about Delta Pitch on the first slide, and then you'll have a whole video learning how to use it on the next slide with lots of text to read up on as well. And then a congratulations that you've completed this module. You'll finish that up, and it will take you then to the recap. And the recap, we just reiterate some of the things that you've learned, and then it invites you to take a quiz on these things. So then you'll just go to the quiz on the right-hand side, and you'll answer the questions that are on this quiz in order to complete the course. You can also filter these courses so that you can see courses based off of the category that they're in, as well as the status of this course.